locked out of your Samsung A12 after a reset. Don't worry, this video will guide you through bypassing Google's factory reset protection, but remember this is for legitimate purposes only, like regaining access to your own device. First, you'll need a computer and the SamFirm tool downloaded from a reputable source, making sure it's the latest version compatible with your A12's Android version. Extract the downloaded file. Now, power off your Samsung A12 and put it into download mode. You can usually do this by holding down the volume up and volume down buttons while plugging in the USB cable connected to your computer. Next, launch the SamFirm tool on your computer and connect your phone. The software should recognize your device. Next, download your specific firmware for the device. Now extract your firmware you downloaded and open the Odin application. Place the BL, AP, CP, and CSC files in their respective slots and make sure the options in Odin are correct. Finally, click the Start button and allow Odin to flash the software. Once it is done, disconnect the device and go through the startup process. That's how to bypass FRP lock.